Hello guys, in this video, I will show you the updated method to verify your work email in LinkedIn in 2025. So step 1, open the LinkedIn app or website and log into your account. Step 2, tap on your profile icon and then go to settings and privacy. Step 3, under the sign in and security, choose the email addresses. Step 4, click add email address, then enter your work email. For example, john@yourcompany.com. Step 5, check your inbox for a verification message from LinkedIn. Step 6, open the email and click the verification link to confirm the address. Step 7, go back to LinkedIn and set your verified work email as your primary address if needed. A verified work email boosts your profile's credibility, especially if you are connecting with colleagues or recruiters. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.